Well, hello y'all. Morning. Matt here with Graftedbranchhomestead, and welcome to the Grafted Herbal Corner, where we're taking a more natural approach at our health and more sustainable approach as well. So in January here, we're looking at digestive health. And in this particular one, we're doing some gut health morning shots. So this invigorating drink or morning shot is designed to support gut health and kickstart the digestive system. With a powerful combination of apple cider vinegar, ginger, and lemon juice, this tonic helps to balance the gut, reduce bloating, and improve overall digestion. So this is a great shot to help you get going in the morning, to give your body and digestive system in particular what it needs to get you going. Step one, we want to grab ourselves some fresh ginger. Now I'm going to cut it down just to a usable size here a little bit. Ginger is it's known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to stimulate the digestive system. So we're going to get a piece I can use here, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the skins. This isn't necessary, they are good for you, but I don't really want it in my drink. So I'm using the back of a spoon here. This was a technique or a tip left by Katrina at Sew and Tear in the comments from our last video, so thank you very much. This worked out well and produced a lot less waste. And we're going to want to go ahead and grate that ginger real fine. I am going to be drinking it. So in this recipe, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of finely grated ginger. If you don't have fresh ginger, you can use dried ginger as well, like I had on hand here. It works just fine. It tastes not quite as good, so I do suggest the fresh, but if you don't have it, this will work. I'm going to go ahead and take some and powder it so that way it will blend into the drink. And with the dried ginger, I found it is a little stronger, so I suggest using just maybe half a teaspoon and then adding that to your water to allow it to rehydrate for a while before you finish off the recipe. Step 2, we want to use the lemon juice from 1 lemon. So I roll it here just to break it a bit so that way the juice will be released easier. Lemon juice is great, especially in the morning. It helps boost the immune system and supports liver detoxification. Next, we want to grab the good old apple cider vinegar, good for a million different uses. We're going to use 1 tablespoon here. Apple cider vinegar is going to help support the gut health by promoting a healthy balance of stomach acids. And then last, we're just going to add about a half a cup of water. This is really just to dilute the mix so it's not quite so strong. And we'll mix it all together. This shot is best consumed in the morning and directly after making it fresh. Cheers. Cheers. Ooh. Enjoy.
Remember to hit the thumbs up and subscribe.
Chewy.
Party pooper.